It's been a while since I've done. Sir, I'm trying to speak, please. Been a while since I've done an actual video, but we're gonna go see how the girls are and the two boys. Stallone is in his own pen, and then the baby rooster is right there. Hi, girlies. Hi. Excuse me. I know. Okay, come on. Come on. Sometimes my camera will stop. Oh, you can hear them all walking across the woods. But we got it fixed. There's Stallone over there. He's very pretty, but he's not very nice, are you, buddy? Okay. So, why is there girls? Girls, who did this? Who did this? Explain. Not you. You're. Okay. Who has done this? Who has done this? Look at this. Who has done this? Yes, I know. Let's go put the egg in here. Don't want to squash it. We got the green egg. Goodness, calm down. We got the green egg. Okay, excuse girls, hello? Girls, ladies. Okay, hi, Salty. Hi, sweetie. Okay, we'll be right back. I'm gonna feed them real quick, and we'll be right back. Okay, so they got some food, got a little bit of a glare from the sun. But they're all here, I think. Pretty sure they are. Yeah, they're all here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, goodness. Why you gotta attack her like that? Why, girlie? Be nice. I know. But, they all have names now. There's 22. 2 boys and 20 girls. Isn't that right? Hey, don't fluff your little feathers. Don't fluff your little feathers. Wait, are you gonna be mean? Yes, you are. You're gonna try. But there's a fence. Guess what? There's a fence. And you can't be mean. Why you gotta be mean? You're so pretty. Oh, hi, kiddos. Calm down. Peanut, why would you do that? What do you think? But they're all over here, and oh, we got one running over here. They're all... He's trying to attack me. Oh, no, he's trying to attack the other rooster through the fence. You good girls and boys. You okay, girlie? You're looking old. No offense, but you're looking a little bit old. You know that? No, you don't want me to pet you? No, I would just want to give you... You don't want to pet you. Come back. Love you. I know. You're a good girl, aren't you? Freedom, Salt, and Speckles, they don't lay anymore. Speckles is here. That's Freedom. And Salt is the furthest white one. She's right there. That little white one right there. They don't lay anymore. They're just pets. And then, of course, the wind wants to come and make noise. But they're all here and they're all happy. And he loves to yell all the time. All the time. Is someone in here? I thought I think, okay. Oh, but they have their new little setup here thing. They got some tree branches going across and going up, and then they have their heat lamps so they don't get cold in the winter. They probably don't really need heat lamps. He has one in his coop too. They probably don't really need heat lamps, but they're a little bit spoiled. So they get a heat lamp. Well, they actually get 3 heat lamps because their coop's pretty big. But they're all happy. They're all here. And he's gonna scream in a second. Oh no, you didn't. But they're all here. The Uno, the other rooster, he will soon be crowing and stuff. He already does some things that the roosters do. The little thing that they do whenever they hear something or see something that might try to hurt them. Or he just gets attacked because he's a scaredy cat. They're both really pretty roosters, though. Look at that tail. No, don't be mean. Hello. Hello. Hi. All right, girls and boys. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, goodness. Bye.